All right, welcome back, my people. Well, on to this, Oluwo of Igboho has finally revealed why Yoruba monarchs are silent over invasion of Igboho's home. All right, and then on to this, the Oluwo of Igboho, Oba Abdulrasheed Adewale Akanbi, has revealed why Yoruba monarchs have remained silent over the raid of the house of activist Sunday Igboho by operatives of the Department of State Services. Speaking during an interview with BBC Yoruba, Akanbi said many of the monarchs were in support of Igboho's agitation against killer herdsmen, but have chosen to be silent because Igboho ignored some of their warnings. This, is said, led to their silence over the raid carried out in his home. Alright, and then onto this, according to what has been gathered, it says Fulanis are our security, not enemies. That's serious, according to the Oluwo of Igboho. He has said earlier before that the Fulanis are our security, they are not our enemies. That to that extent, I was now like, how possible the Fulani can be our security and not our enemy? For the Oluwo of Igboho to have said this, a majority of people actually went against that. It's not funny at all. Well, according to what has been gathered, it has been said that Oluwo noted that Igboho was cautioned about the manner he was agitating for Yoruba nation, but he failed to adjust. He said the fight for the Yoruba nation will be more productive with the input of the traditional rulers. He had abused some respected traditional rulers who could easily defend him against external attacks. Alright, and then onto this, he continued by saying that they forgot that the king superintendent over everything, and then government has a duty to secure its citizens. Alright, and then according to this, he says, I can't be part of agitation for Nigeria's breakup. And this had been said by Oluwo of Igboho. Here he had earlier also said that, in fact, he still insists that he can't be part of the agitation for Nigerians' breakup. All right, according to this, he says the government cannot fold its hands again and allow a repeat of what happened during #EndSARS. We must be diplomatic with our demands. We cannot get our demands by fighting the government. Instead, we can negotiate and then dialogue with the government, is said. All right, and then that has been it on this one. Well, according to what the Oluwo of Igboho had said, majority of people never agreed with him. Well, in fact, he earlier said that the Fulani are our security. In fact, a layman will tell you the definition of what he has said so far, because I don't understand why you will, in that manner, say the Fulanis are our security. That's serious. All right, and then though majority of people have actually, reacted against what he said earlier. For many people have been like, this man is not supposed to be a human being for saying such a word. Why would you say Fulani, who had been killing, maiming, destroying lives and properties, raping, and all sorts of criminality, and then all sorts of offenses, and you're now saying such a group are no security to the society? Well, that's why majority of people have said that this man is not a human being at all. Well, many things are actually being said onto this, and then according to what has been gathered, it has been said that this Oluwo of Igboho is speaking out of point. And then according to Daddy Silva, he has said that what happened in EndSARS means what? Because earlier he mentioned that no, they don't want what happened in hashtag NSAS protest to repeat itself. And then somebody is now like, so you mean what happened at the hashtag NSAS protest, does that mean a good thing? Was that a good thing? All right, according to Daddy Silva, it has said, well, what happened in NSAS means what? What is the legality of killing unarmed protesters? What is the legality of raiding Igboho's house at midnight? Your statement shows that you are part of those who have decided to sell the younger generation to its opponent. All right, and then this has been said by Daddy Silva, and then he is not far from the truth. And then according to Badaru Latif, he has said, Kabiyesi, first thing I want you to know is Sunday Igboho is fighting for only one thing. He is only fighting for the Fulani herders He's only fighting against the Fulani herders that had been killing, maiming, and raping our Yoruba people. That is what led to the Yoruba nation agitation. When our government are biased, don't forget, Sir Kabiyesi, during the Yoruba nation agitation, there were no single state that Sunday Igboho caused riot. All right, and then all the rally were peaceful. Please, sir, if you the Obas want to help him. If you are not ready to help him, then you leave him alone. That's serious. Well, this has been said by Badaru Latif. Okay, my people, well, a lot have actually been said so far onto this one, but one thing we understand for sure is that there is God in heaven who is watching, and then definitely in no time God will vindicate Sunday Igboho and the followers, and then the Yoruba nation will still get to actualization point. And then that has been it on this one. Many things have been said so far onto this, but we thank God that the good Lord has been on our side. Well, Sunday Igboho has been working tirelessly to secure the land, to save people, and look at what the federal government had done to him. But thank God he is better and faring well, because majority of people will be like, where is Sunday Igboho and not that? Well, the truth of the matter is Sunday Igboho is he's happy wherever he is right now, and that has been it on this one. All right, my people, well, a lot have been said so far onto this, but one thing we are sure of is that God is bigger than any mountain, any trouble. And then that is the problem this set of people have. They've forgotten that vanity upon vanity, all is vanity. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.